taking credit. It is amazing. You seem to be doing everything, Mr. President, or at least everything that looks good and could cause people to think well of you. There is nothing for which you will not take credit if you think it will increase your image. If the stock market goes up, you take credit. If the unemployment numbers drop, you take credit. If the World Cup comes to the United States, you take credit. If the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, you take credit. Well, maybe you have not taken credit for that yet, but it's probably just on the horizon. Of course, if the stock market drops 10%, there is silence from your office and nothing is said on Twitter. You take credit for the new tax law, but say nothing about the fact that it is you and your cronies who seem to be the ones to most benefit from these new laws, while the population at large seems to be left holding the bag. It seems always to be someone else's fault when things go badly. It's the Democrats' fault when your policy implementation are criticized. It's the news media's fault when the optics aren't what you would like for them to be. It's always somebody else. When are you going to man up and take responsibility for the problems as well as credit for the good things? It takes a big man to admit that not everything goes well, but you do not seem to be able to do that. You only want good reviews, and anything negative makes you upset. That is a terrible way to live, but it is an even worse way to govern.